everyone, Jess here, and today I'm joined with Tom Trotta from Allianz. Thank you so much for joining me today, Tom.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, it's a pleasure. So first off, how are we seeing airlines leverage technology and digital services to enhance their end-to-end passenger experience and even build a sort of a sense of peace of mind for passengers?
Yeah, I think a lot of it nowadays comes down to personalization and knowing their customers, surveying their customers, and then leveraging everything from the point of sale to call centers to post-departure information on screen now, and the chairbacks. It says, welcome Thomas on the plane. So what we try to help with is starting at the point of sale, making sure that we can identify the right insurance products for the trips that their customers are about to take, and then again giving them that peace of mind that we're a solid company. We've got people available to help them around the world 24/7. And really good people that are able to help you on the worst day of your lives or just the inconveniences, right? Travel delays are big in the news these days. So we have a lot of technology to help customers throughout the journey, and then matching it up with the customer experience that each airline has in their app, on their call centers, and trying to make sure that the customers know Allianz because they've seen us many different places now and can expect the same level of service from us no matter where they are.
Absolutely, that sort of consistency across the board.
Absolutely.
And then could you share any examples where digital tools or service enhancements have helped airlines to proactively manage travel disruption?
Sure.
I know you mentioned they're big in the news at the moment.
Yeah, and we've had it available through travel agencies for a while. We just started getting our first airline, and we soon have our second airline, sending us true P&R information so we can track flight changes before people leave, and then understanding, okay, we know you're on X flight, and once that flight is delayed by more than 2 hours, we reach out to you proactively and help you when you're not happy sitting in the airport, and getting you money immediately, ACH to your debit card, and helping you be a little less unhappy in that situation. No claims to file, no receipts to send us. But while we send you that, say $7,500, we also open a claim. So if you do have if it turns into an overnight delay, you need a hotel, we'll cover the full amount of your benefit, and that we'll need a receipt for. But we're proactively reaching out to you at that moment, giving you some money for beverages, food, whatever you need, and then still having the rest available. So that's one way to really proactively reaching out to customers. Another is we have an app that can help you with travel alerts. Something's happening in your destination, the country you're going to, will alert you ahead of time for that. And then just little things. What's the 911 emergency number where I'm traveling? How do I say, ibuprofen in French and things like that. So a lot of tools with apps, and those are available for our partners in their apps as well.
Fantastic. So it's helping to empower customers, and the key word really being proactive.
Yes.
In that. And to build on the idea of disruptions and how this can change a perception of a journey, how important do you think it is for airlines to offer reassurance and contingency solutions at the time of disruption?
Well, hopefully we've educated their guests and their customers ahead of time, so it's not a last-minute scramble for them. But it is really important. And again, it gets back to personalization and the level of service that they're giving to their loyalty customers, and trying to make sure that they know we're available. So we'll have a landing page on customer sites, and part of that will be what does insurance cover? What are the situations that it can help you and give you that peace of mind? And then when I need to file a claim, they may not remember it's Allianz, but they'll go back to the airline site and they can find us and start the claim process right from there. So from end to end, we're really trying to give them both the peace of mind and the tools to solve their needs before, during, and after the trip.
Absolutely. And from an airline perspective, I know they say that while disruption is of course an inconvenience, it can also be a chance to build passenger loyalty. Absolutely. With how you handle it. Yeah. And it can leave a lasting brand impression, as you were saying. So shifting away slightly now, in what ways would you say airlines are using ancillary services or digital platforms to strengthen their post-booking engagement?
So post-booking, again, a lot of people don't buy insurance during the booking process, so we have it available through My Trips pages, in their apps, and trying to remind people. The other thing is, airlines are now selling hotel rooms and rental cars, and so Allianz is there as well to provide services when you're on your trip. Collision damage insurance for rental cars, and making sure that the products that they're offering have value, that we are really providing value to the customers. We do a lot of surveys post-purchase and making sure that the customers understood the benefits and then knew how to use them. And the faster we can provide claims, we heard a lot about AI at this conference. We're using AI in the claims process. And in some cases, when we receive a document proving the backup that we need, we'll get a payment out within 6 hours now. So making sure that our level of service is matching what the airlines and our other partners want.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining me today,
Sure,
Tom.
my pleasure.